Listen, man, our next guest has spent nearly 2 decades fighting for health care for families. And as the nation prepares for a fourth wave and medical coverage is now more important than ever, y'all please welcome the Secretary of Health and Human Services, Dr. Xavier Becerra. Good morning. Man, thank you so much for joining us. And I know now currently the country is not heading in the right direction in regards to COVID numbers. As hospitals start to hit the overflow alarm, some people are asking, would there be another shutdown in the future? What are your thoughts?
Well, we all have to take responsibility for protecting ourselves and those we love, right? And it looks like in some places we've done it better than others. And what we don't want to see is that where they haven't done the things that have taken on that personal responsibility, that ends up spreading the virus all over the place. And before you know it, not only is our health in trouble, but is our economy as well. And so we're just hoping everybody gets vaccinated. We hope that everybody does the safe thing by masking up in public when necessary, staying a distance apart. Even if you are vaccinated, it's always better to be safe. Remember, our kids under 12 cannot be vaccinated. We have to take care of them. And our seniors who are vulnerable, if you've got cancer, if your immunity system is compromised, it makes it tougher for you. So we have to do what we can, Rickey, to be safe. And the best thing we can do is get vaccinated.
Well, you know what? There's some good news.
There are some good news, however, out there, but a lot of people might not know about it. So healthcare.gov has opened a special enrollment period. So when exactly is this enrollment period, and why is it so important?
That's right. In fact, I'm glad you asked, because that special enrollment period has been open since March, and it's getting ready to close. And it's special because President Biden made health care far more affordable for a lot of folks, including folks in communities of color where it's always a tough thing to be able to afford the cost of good coverage. But right now, because the president made available tax breaks in payment of that insurance available, you can get a good plan. In fact, most people are finding in the communities of color, a lot of folks are finding that they're getting a plan for $10 or less a month for good health care coverage. But that expires. That opportunity to sign up on healthcare.gov expires on August the 15th, just 2 days away, Sunday the 15th. And so we hope people will sign up. 2.5 million Americans have signed up in this 4 to 6 months to join the tens of millions who already have health insurance coverage through the American Affordable Care Act.
Well, who can qualify for coverage for people listening right now who may currently be uninsured?
Well, pretty much anyone qualifies to be able to get on if you don't have health insurance coverage through your employer. And in the black community, I'd say probably 2/3 of African Americans in this country, probably who are uninsured, probably would qualify for a plan that would cost them less than $10 a month in premiums, and it's a very strong chance that because they haven't gotten insurance, because it's probably been difficult for them to get it, they probably will find a plan if they go to healthcare.gov that may cost them $0 a month in premiums.
So when is the deadline, and where should people go? You just said it, so just make sure they know again, healthcare.gov?
Healthcare.gov, August 15th, that's Sunday. Clock strikes midnight. We're done. You're out of luck. You won't be able to sign up again for a while. If you sign up now, that health insurance kicks in by the beginning of September, and you'll have the peace of mind that comes from knowing that you can take your child to the hospital and not worry about going bankrupt. Because remember, in America, most personal bankruptcies by Americans are due to the fact that they've got a health care bill that they can no longer afford.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much, Secretary Becerra. We really appreciate you joining us this morning, and we look forward to having you to come on again in the future. Ladies and gentlemen, y'all give it up for Secretary Becerra.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much.